everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Queen ST. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. And if you're a return subscriber, you know that I love you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 tips in growing your natural hair faster. Let's just jump right into the video. Number 1, diet. Eat a well-balanced diet that contains proteins, vitamins, minerals, omega, and fatty acid, as these will help your hair growth faster. Number 2, exercise. Regular exercise increases blood flow to your scalp, promoting healthy hair and thicker hair. Number 3, scalp massage. Gently massage your scalp with your fingertips to increase blood flow. Number 4, trim your end every few months to remove split end and to prevent them from breakage. Number 5, sleep. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, as not getting enough sleep can decrease your body melatonin production, a hormone that regulates hair growth. Number 6, always wear satin nets to bed or use satin pillowcase to prevent friction, breakage, and don't sleep on wet hair. Number 7, supplements. Take a hair boosting supplement or multivitamin. Number 8, use a strengthening hair treatment, a weekly hair mask, or a product that contains antioxidants. Number 9, don't moisturize your hair with ordinary water. Instead, moisturize your hair with herb-infused water like rosemary leaf, green tea, hibiscus tea, lemongrass, so on and so forth. Number 10, do the inversion method 3 times a week. By doing that, you are going to be increasing blood flow to your scalp and stimulating hair growth. Let me know your own tips in the comment section, as someone might be learning from you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit on that subscription button. And of course, see you in my next video. Bye.